Hey, Zach here, and today I'm going to show you how to add a blog to your Shopify store. If you're logged in as the admin of the store, you just go on the left here, click on content, and then go down to blog posts here. You'll see I have a couple of blogs here, and we're just going to click on this black button on the top right, add blog post. So click on that. And just give it a title, which I have asked ChatGPT to do. So I'm just going to put that title in there. And then the content is going to go here, which I also asked ChatGPT to do. And this is going to be like that. And of course, if you are actually trying to get organic traffic, then you want to edit this excerpt here, like what it says here, add a summary of the post to appear on your homepage or blog. So let's just say, I don't know, just something like this, just a short summary. You want to do that, and you'll also want to do the search engine listings. I would just ask ChatGPT, and let's just save all that we've done so far. Before it's going to go live, you're going to have to click it to visible, and then finally you want to have an image. So for me, I'm going to add an image, do like this. All right, so we could even go in here and add some alt text, save it, and because we clicked it to be visible, it should be visible now. Now let's just take a look. If we click on view here, we'll be able to see what it looks like currently. So if somebody gets to that page, it's going to have this huge image there, which we don't want. The text is kind of okay. Sometimes when you copy paste from ChatGPT, the styling is going to be weird like that. So let me let's just change these to numbers real quick. And I'm just going to get rid of these bullet points. Let's see what that looks like. Okay, we got some numbers and we got the check marks, no bullet points. That's a little better, but we have to do something about this image. To resize this image, if I have time at the end of this video, I'll do it. But now maybe you want to put some images throughout the blog in the middle, so you can just put it anywhere. Let's just go into the text here and then click on this little insert image, or you could insert a video. So I'm gonna add an image. Probably be better to have these like as a square. Okay, this one square, or yeah, we want it to be landscape. Images would be better. Okay, so now it's in there, so let's save. And let's refresh and see what this blog is looking like now. So there you go, that image is in there. So you can just kind of throw images in there however you want. Now, real quick, let's see if we can do something about that image being huge. Go to sales channels, online store. We want to customize. And then we're going to click up here onto blog posts, and we have the default blog post. So this image is huge. So on this featured image, we don't want it to be set like this. Medium, how about that? But you can see if I make it small, you can't see my face or anything, but you know what, let's just, yeah, if you're going to make it small like this, then you're going to have to make sure that the image is that size. We'll do medium, how about that? Okay, so that's the template for all blog posts. So now every blog post should have a set size for this image up here. Let's refresh, and you can see it is, but now, yeah, you're gonna have to get into resizing your images if you want to make sure they're looking the right way you want it to be. For now, I'll say this is good enough for me. And let's see, anything else we can do in here? You're gonna want to put the blogs either as a nav link up here or put it on the home page. So I'm gonna put the blogs on the home page, and this is, yeah, already we're well beyond the scope of doing a blog post, but just in case, I'll go ahead and show you on the home page. We're gonna just put it down at the very bottom. We're gonna put blog posts, select the blog that we want, and you'll see there, those are those main images. So just go ahead and save that. And now if we refresh our home page, scroll down to the bottom of the page, and now we can see all of those blogs that we've put in here. So yeah, I hope you can understand how to set up blog posts on your page now. And if you need any help, let me know. I'm always here working on everybody's Shopify stores, so just contact me here on the channel or check the links in the description of this video. Alright, see you next time.